Democrat candidate Joe Biden elect as US President. Turkish President Erdogan and his Russian counterpart Putin have discussed options for a peaceful resolution in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has become the first province of Pakistan to upgrade its education system through digital technologies of the internet giant Google. Palestine urges international community to impose sanctions on Israel. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism murdered 2 Kashmiri youth in Kupwara district on Sunday. Philippines to back China candidate for the World Court.